Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyform.com, and today we're going to talk about what is limited power of attorney. Now, just real quick, if you don't even know what power of attorney is, it's simply just a legal document that allows you to choose somebody else to act for you for either financial decisions or medical decisions. And if you want to follow along with us, you can go right next to the word instructions in the description of this video. There'll be a link right to this page, or you can go right to powerofattorneyform.com/limited.htm. Now, if we're on this page, we want to scroll down just a bit, and we'll just kind of read along. Now, limited power of attorney only deals with specific financial matters. So what that means is if this form allows you to choose anybody that you want to handle specific financial decision-making acts on your behalf. Now, example of what those specific financial matters can be is doing, say, banking for you, doing withdrawals, taking out money, making deposits. Well, you actually don't need power of attorney to make a deposit. Unless it's some sort of unique kind of banking transaction that you're going to be doing. Most often, it just has to do with picking up certified mail. Say you have an assistant that you want to be picking up mail for you. Then you'd usually want to have, and you're usually not in the office all the time, you'd want to have limited power of attorney so that they can pick up any and all certified mail for you. But it can be anything. It's very common among car dealerships when you have someone else that picks up a car for you. So you can see that it can be used for a wide range of things. But the beauty of limited power of attorney is that the moment that the act has been done, the form becomes void. Because with other power of attorney forms, for example, such as durable power of attorney or general power of attorney, it gives the person access to handle any and all financial matters on behalf of someone else. But here it's a little different. It allows you to just select maybe one thing or a few things for someone else to do, and the minute that they do it, the form becomes void, which is very nice. Now, one thing that you want to watch out for is that there are 3 common ways that this form can become void. Obviously, if the person dies, the form becomes void. But more importantly, if the principal or the person that's handing over the power becomes incapacitated. Now, what that means is if they, for unfortunate reasons, should become in a coma or have dementia or just generally not able to think for themselves, this form becomes void. And what are the requirements for this form to be legal? It needs to be signed and dated by the principal who's handing over the power, the agent who's going to be taking the power and acting for the principal, and it needs to be signed and dated in front of a notary. Or 2 blood-related witnesses, but we highly suggest that it is a notary. And because in a lot of states they require a notary, but some it's just 2 non-blood-related witnesses. But to protect yourself as legally as possible, you want to have a notary. Now, if you don't know where to find a notary, don't worry, you can find a notary at every branch bank in the United States because someone at the bank always has to be a notary to sign financial documents and authorize them. So if you just bring this form and the principal and agent show up at the bank, usually they'll do it for free if you have an account. I know Bank of America, if you don't have an account, will do it for a fee for around $8 to $10. And that's it. That's what is limited power of attorney. And if you want to download one of these forms, you can come right to our website and just select which state you're in. and we'll bring you right to the form to download. And that's it. Thank you very much.